My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
You know the domain that I've purchased through HighLevel, can you make like sub domains with it? So obviously I've got one set up, one for the funnel that you gave as a template, but then can I use the same domain to also set up a website?
Yes, yeah, you just have to use different paths. So, or you can use subdomains. So a subdomain, like what's your domain, for example, that you've bought?
It's nathoradigital.com.
So you've got nathoradigital.com. For a funnel, typically what people do for funnels is they use subdomains. So you could do like for nathoradigital.com, you could do like smartwebsite.nathoradigital.com. It puts like a word on the beginning followed by a dot, and that would be a subdomain. And so that one won't conflict with your main website domain. And so you would use a subdomain. Subdomains, you can create them for free inside of GoHighLevel. If you bought the domain with GoHighLevel or GoDaddy, doesn't matter. You can create as many of them as you want for free and then use those for your funnels. For the main website, though, we typically want the main website to be the clean domain, nathoradigital.com. People type that in and it pops up on Google. So that would be how you typically will differentiate them. As I said earlier, you can also differentiate them by paths on the end. So nathoradigital.com/home, will take them to the home page of your website or whatever. But you could also have a funnel that's nathoradigital.com as long as the backslash and then whatever word is on the end is different from the ones you're using for your website. It can also still work for a funnel if you don't want to set up the subdomain. But I'd recommend just using a subdomain. That'll be easiest.
Would it be the same sort of process to set up a subdomain, going through and like putting it into the software sort of thing, putting it in GoHighLevel?
Did you buy the domain and GoHighLevel?
Yeah.
Are you able to share screen real quick and pull up your account?
I can flip my iPad around.
No, you're fine. Let me do it on my screen. I'll show you. It's really simple. I should have just recommended that from the start. It'll just be faster this way.
Sorry.
No, you're chilling. No worries. So you'll just go. So if you bought the domain in HighLevel, super easy. You'll go down to your settings. You'll go to your domains and URL redirects section. And this is where you bought your domain. And this is where you'll have your different ones here. If you want to create a subdomain, all you'll click is, so you've got nathoradigital.com. I'm going to use this one, jaspergohighlevel.com. We're going to click connect. I'm going to click this top one right here, connect. And then it's going to ask me to plug in my domain. So I already own jaspergohighlevel.com, but now I'm going to create a subdomain. So I'm going to do like info.jaspergohighlevel.com. So that's a subdomain. And then when I click continue here, it will ask me if I want to continue, and it should add the record for you. It's just one DNS record. It's a CNAME record for subdomains. For root domains like nathoradigital.com, when you added that one requires an A record and a CNAME record. So there's two DNS records for your root domains, but for subdomains, there's only one record. I don't know why, they're just more simple. So if you click add record manually, you'll notice there's just this one CNAME record that you need to add. But if you're using GoHighLevel, they can create it for you. It'll like use their automated DNS system to create it. If you just click continue right there, now you'll have a subdomain that you can then go and connect to your funnel. And then you can use your root domain, like, jaspergohighlevel.com would be my root domain. I can use that one for, my main website. And you'll see right here, it'll say subdomains and it'll show all your subdomains that you've created as well.
Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah, you bet. If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.